So if you want to describe a circle in terms of an equation, it's actually pretty easy to do. And there's a very standard form that's quite pretty, and we want to become familiar with it. So suppose that we have a circle. It's centered at the point h comma k. So hk is the center, and the radius is r. Then we could always express it as the equation x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. The important thing to notice here, the center is at x equals h, y equals k, but notice those subtraction signs, they will always come back to haunt us if we're not conscious of them. Let's take a look at an example. Let's write the equation of a circle centered at 5, 3, and radius 4. Okay, well, no problem. We have the formula. And so I see it's going to be x minus the x value of the center, which is 5, so x minus 5 squared, plus y minus the y coordinate of the center, which is 3, squared, equals, now you might be tempted to write 4 here, but of course we have to write 4 squared, which is 16. So this is the correct equation, and we can actually graph this. Let's graph it live so you can see this in action. So I now look at this and I see, okay, great, no problem. My center is going to be at 5, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So this is the center. Put a dot there just for reference. And now let's actually draw the circle. The radius is going to be 4, not 16, but 4, which means that from this point, I have to move out 4 units and then consider all the points that are 4 units away. Here's an easy way to actually do this in practice. Just count vertically and horizontally. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's got to be a point on the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's got to be a point on the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's got to be a point on the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's got to be a point on the circle. Now, given those, the idea is to draw in a perfect circle that actually conforms with those points. Well, okay. Compass, of course, lets you do this beautifully. But you get the idea. By the way, if you want to make it look good and it's not looking so good, just make it a little bit thicker. Look, all of a sudden, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? That doesn't look so bad. And there you have it. There's the center, and you can see the radius is 4. Very cool.